Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to find out the area and perimeter of a rectangle if the length and breadth of that rectangle is entered through the keyboard. So let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. Guys, in this program, we will find out the area and perimeter of the rectangle. So I have declared four integer variables L, B, A and P. L is for length, B is for breadth, A for area and P for perimeter. Now guys, I am taking input from the user with the help of scanf function for the variable L and B. Now guys, we can find out the area by using an arithmetic instruction a equals to L into B, and we can find out the perimeter by P equals to 2 into L plus B. And now guys, we can print the area and perimeter of the rectangle by using printf function. Now guys, if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the length and breadth of rectangle. So let me enter the length and breadth for rectangle. Guys, I have entered 3 length and 5 breadth. So the area of rectangle will be 15 and the perimeter of rectangle will be 16. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.